Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your YouTube subscriptions public on mobile. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You might be looking for this option in the YouTube app but not find it. That's because this is not available on the YouTube app. In order to enable this option, you need to open your browser. Open YouTube in your preferred browser and then sign in. Now tap on your channel icon and then tap on the settings icon. Once you have done that, you will see all the settings available in your account. Tap on the drop-down menu on the history and privacy option, and here you should see the toggle for keep all my subscriptions private. Turn that off and all your YouTube subscriptions will be public for everyone on YouTube. This was for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Instant Nerd.